Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lissa. Today I have a special recipe for you guys. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make shrimp and steak tacos with a cilantro lime butter. This is a very simple recipe. The only difference is today I'm gonna be cooking it on the campfire for y'all, but you can definitely cook this on the stove too. But anyways, you're gonna need about a half a pound of shrimp. I mean, you can cook as much as you want, but I'm using half a pound because that's what I had in the freezer. You're gonna need one like 4-ounce, 5-ounce steak. You're gonna need a stick of salted butter, chopped garlic, Cajun or like all-purpose seasoning salt, whatever kind of tortillas you like. I'm using a corn and flour blend. I got a little bit of olive oil here. And then, of course, you're going to need some lime and cilantro. All right, y'all. So, for the first step, I'm just going to slice up my little steak. And like I said, this is just a 4-ounce, 5-ounce steak that I had left over in the freezer. And it's got some black pepper on it. I mean, you can just use a regular old steak, though. And we just going to slice that into strips. All right, y'all. So, I went ahead and cleaned my shrimp. And like I said, I cut up my steak. Don't say nothing to me about it being on the same plate because I'm going to eat it. You ain't got to eat it if you care about cross-contamination. But anyway, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on this stuff. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of my Cajun seasoning. And just season that up. And like I said, on the steak is just some black pepper. So you can just add a little black pepper if you want to do that. But I'm just toss all this up like this. And there we go, y'all. Alright, y'all. So this is my fire. And you see those hot little pieces right there underneath? I'm going to move those out because that's what we're going to use to cook on. So I'm just moving some of that from under the fire. That's coals, y'all. And then what I'm going to do is take my little cast iron. I know it's a little dirty, but whatever. And we're just gonna put it right there. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna add a little butter just to get us started. And we just let that melt first. Alright, y'all. So our butter done melted. Be careful, be careful. Then I'm just go ahead and add in my shrimp and steak. And I'm adding them both at the same time, like I said, because I don't care. And these gonna cook real fast. So we just gonna cook this for about 3 minutes, y'all. 2 or 3 minutes, just to get everything nice and fried up. Alright, y'all. As you can see, our steak and everything is pretty much cooked. I don't care about my steak being well done. So what we gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and temporarily take this off of the fire. I took my shrimp and steak off. I'm gonna go ahead and cook me some tortillas real quick with the little residue that was in the skillet. But yeah, we just gonna toast us some tortillas, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm done doing my tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and add the last of my butter in there. I know it's got dirt and stuff on it. I don't care. We're gonna just melt that butter. Boy, it's burning over there. It's all good though. Throw that in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic, minced garlic. And I'm just putting all I have left in there, y'all. Go ahead and get that in the butter. And I got some cilantro here. Gonna add that in there. And then we're gonna take our steak and shrimp. Add that in there. And get that a nice stir. Alright, y'all, so we just getting that butter and stuff incorporated with that shrimp and all that. And I mean, this is pretty much the tacos. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and taste these for y'all. Ooh. And I apologize that the video choppy. I'm trying to get into this TikTok thing. Y'all. That's too good. I put a little bit of avocado in there. But anyway, y'all. It tastes like Papacitos, but better. I don't even know. It's just too good, y'all. But if you want some tacos that's not like the traditional Mexican tacos, I suggest you try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Lissa.